Hi Stampers, this is Melissa the Stamp Doc, and we are now on day 2 of a little bit festive card class week. So I'm going to get started right away, and these are the gold dipped mix and match cards and envelopes. These come in a set of 9. You get 3 of each color, and so 9 cards and envelopes for just $12. These are amazing. So again, we're going to be using the a little bit festive die cuts here. And I had someone ask yesterday if these were paper thin. They are thin, but they're not as thick as like a card weight, but they're certainly not like typing paper, okay? So they're a little bit between like just a little less than a cardstock. All right, so I'm going to put this one right down here at this bottom corner and just almost letting that hang all the way off. And then I've got this one over here, and we're going to put it up over here on this side. Same thing. And then I have our greeting from the Joyful Sayings. We're going to put it right there in the center. And then I have a little holly that I'm going to put on there also. So just a super quick and easy card, and you get the coordinating envelope. So again, this class includes 20 cards and envelopes as well. Everything except for a few pieces is pre-cut for you, and you will get all your directions and everything too. So this has this beautiful poinsettia. We're going to throw a couple of dimensionals on the back of him. That's one of those half dimensionals from yesterday. You never know when you'll pick one of those up again, but they work just as well. And I'm going to use my Take Your Pick tool to get those backings off. If you haven't used one of these before, it is amazing. There's so many things you can do with this tool, but I think one of my favorites is just taking off all of those dimensional backings. All right, we're gonna put this right on here. There we go. And then we have this little joy, which is gold foil, which goes so well with that. I'm just gonna put a little dab of glue, and I'll show you another little trick for this tomorrow with the glue, because on these thin die cuts that can be a little tricky, so we don't want that to happen too much. We're just going to kind of set him over here. So he's kind of up and down. And there is our second card. And don't you just love the coordinating envelopes? It looks so pretty together. All right, and our final card today. So again, there's just 3 of these cards in your kit. But I did include, I wanted you to see how pretty some of these were. And as of today, I do still have ordering available for those. I do suspect that may end tomorrow. So if you want one, be sure you do that. The link to order is in the description. And just click on that PayPal link and it will place that order for you. All right, so we're gonna just take the backings off these little trees. Again, how easy is that? There we go. And then I have a couple little stars. I'm gonna put a star right there on this tree. And again, all of these are in your kit, so, and you also get a little pack of dimensionals if you want to pop any of your things up. And this just says, wishing you a Christmas full of peace and wonder. Let me see if I have another star here. I may have one. Oh, there he is. I see him. They're tiny. I want to get that on there. Okay. Oops, he stuck to my finger. Uh-oh. There we go. All right. And there is our third card for today. Again, you've got your matching envelope with it. So let me put all of those out so you can see them. Again, they are all so very pretty. And again, tomorrow I will be back with more cards. Again, there's 20 cards total in this class, so if you're wanting to get in on that, make sure you order right away. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you missed part 1, I'm going to put that here at the end of the video for you to go watch. Thanks again. Bye-bye.